Hello, pricing people. Holden Advisors is returning to PPS this fall with another engaging workshop. The workshop is called Pricing with Confidence, 10 Rules for Increasing Profits and Staying Ahead of Inflation. Throughout the workshop day, you'll learn how to navigate today's unpredictable business environment while increasing profitability for your business. I'm Pete Morelli with Holden Advisors pricing team, and I'll be leading the workshop alongside my colleague, Jeet Mukherjee, our VP of pricing. Jeet co-authored the upcoming second edition of Pricing with Confidence, and you may have seen his keynote on the future of pricing at the PPS Spring Conference.
Hello, pricers. I'm Jeet Mukherjee. I'm excited to share the key takeaways from my research and writing Pricing with Confidence. We'll cover how to directly apply each rule to better understand your customers, increase your profits, and communicate prices with clarity to your sales team. See you in San Francisco.